Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I hope you enjoy this new setup. I finally got a ring light. If you're new here, I post videos once a week or sometimes twice a week depending on how I'm feeling. But today I'm going to be reviewing the new Prada re-edition bag. I actually got my hands on this. I wasn't planning on spending a lot of money on a designer bag, really limited edition. So I just had to get my hands on it if it's a good investment if I want to sell in the future. This is the Prada Crossbody. It's so cute. They had another one that was a lot cheaper. I believe it was like $700, and it was just a regular hobo bag, which is like a little shoulder bag. It came like this, like a little black strap. I wanted this bag because it was like way more unique and cute to me. I was gonna get the other one just because it was like so much cheaper, but like this one wasn't that much more. I think this one was $1,200, which is like still a lot for a bag, but it's so cute. It has this little chain detailing on it, and it also has like the little Prada logo and the logo right here, and this little like crossbody part is really thick strapped. It's so cute. I love thick strap crossbodies lately. Like I feel like they're the trend. The Louis Vuitton one came out, but that one was like way too expensive. Like no honey. So this one's really good alternative. I think this one is way cuter than the other one. How many times am I gonna say cute? But it has like Prada written right here, and then it has a little pouch. I don't know what to put in this yet, but it has like, you know, the little logo as well. And this is removable. So I can't say the name of this bag to like save my life. So I'm gonna put it right here for you. It's like so long, but you can take off the straps, which is also why I really wanted this bag, because it's really universal and I can change it up and wear it as a shoulder bag. Okay, this bag is just my personality in a bag. Does that make sense? Like this, you know, it reflects my personality a lot because I love like the whole edgy vibe. This is very edgy New York street style vibes going on. I love it, and I just love that vibe a lot. I don't usually wear silver, so this is really like changing up for me. I think I think I like it a lot better as silver. If it did come in gold, I probably wouldn't like it as much, but it might look kind of tacky. So I'm really into the silver. Actually didn't know about this bag for like 2 weeks. I think it came out like around then. I didn't know about it till like bloggers and stuff started posting like pictures with it and stuff, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. I was looking for one for Christmas, like an early Christmas gift. And I saw that one. I was like, that's so cute. And I love like limited edition stuff that you can't like is really unique and rare. So that's one of the other reasons why I wanted it. Their hobo style has like the Prada logo right here as well, but then on the back it says like re-edition 2000. This one is, I believe, the re-edition 2005, and it doesn't say it on here. I only know some of them have the logo on the back, like the 2005, which kind of sucks. I kind of wanted it just to like, you know, say this is the re-edition 2005 version. Looking for this bag, it's not sold online. You can only get it in a Prada store. I luckily live in LA. I just moved here. So there's like the Prada in Beverly Hills and the one in Beverly Center. I don't know if there's another one, but I believe you can actually call a Prada store like near you, or just like one, like a random one, and they can probably phone order it for you, because I know you can only order it from there. I think there's personal shoppers out there you can buy it from, but I don't really want to trust that. So I ordered mine from the Prada store. They didn't have it in store anymore. They were completely sold out. I actually called up the Prada stores in the Beverly Center and on Rodeo, and they both said they didn't have it in stores and they were like completely sold out, but they could order online. But then when I went in to the Beverly Center one, which is like the closest, I didn't feel like driving all the way to Beverly Hills, which is like the closest to me, the Beverly Center one. So I went in there, and first the girl was like, no, we don't have them anymore, they're sold out everywhere. And I was like, that doesn't sound right. So I left, but then I called again because I don't know, I wanted to confirm it. And the manager on the phone, she said we could order it from a different store. So definitely try hard to get this bag if you really want it, because I almost didn't get it because the lady, she was confused and didn't know what I was talking about, I guess, or didn't know what was happening with the re-edition bag. So the manager, she ordered it for me. I'm not sure if it came from the Las Vegas store or the New York store, but one of those. She had it shipped to the store. I really wanted it shipped to the store because I don't trust like people in my apartment, you know, people. It's like a $1,200 bag. Not gonna risk it. Plus I wanted the cute little bag it came with. It's so cute. I really like these bags for like decorating and stuff. If you want to go check that out, it comes in black. I saw a tan one and a red one. I think there's a red one, but I will put like any other colors I have below, but I'm not sure. So when I got the bag, it came in this little pouch right here, and then the strap came in like a mini pouch. So cute. And this one's like really soft, and then this one's kind of like more of a linen. And then, you know, it comes with the authentication card right here. This is the Tessuto Saffiano Nero bag. So yeah, like I said, I could not pronounce that, but that's like the authentication card. Definitely gonna hang on to that, and in case I sell it in the future. And then here's like my receipt and stuff. I'm gonna hang on to that as well. They didn't tell me that I got my Prada bag. Like, they were supposed to call me, but I guess they hadn't yet, but I was too excited, so I called them myself and I went to go pick it up. And yeah, I'm so excited I got my hands on this bag. When I went to the store, I actually talked to the lady who was like the manager of Prada. She said they only started selling them in like department stores in like London and stuff. I think there was another place they started selling it, but I guess it kind of grew or something like that. I don't really know, but I'm really excited I got my hands on this. She said there's only 5 stores in the country that sell them, so definitely get your hand. Complaints I have about it is that I already kind of scratched right there. You can really see it on camera, but in person you can't. I don't know how it happened. I guess I rubbed against something. I'm the most clumsiest person ever. If you're gonna get this, be careful not to run into anything. I got the black one because I don't trust myself with like red. I totally get that dirty. But I also just like how this goes with all my outfits because I do wear like a lot of neutral colors. And I really wanted a new go-to bag because I got rid, well not rid, you know. I sold my, what is it? The Gucci Soho Disco bag on my Poshmark. It was just time to retire that one. It was a little bit too small. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I loved making it. I love this bag. Totally recommend if you're looking for it. I really hope that you get your hands on it if you're trying to find it. I really hope that they're still available for you. And yeah, that's all I have for this video. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and turn on that bell so you get notifications from me every week. I am doing Vlogmas. Definitely check that out. I'm doing it week by week, which I'm really excited about. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.